Hello, my lovely 8th graders. Today we are going to talk about cellular respiration. And cellular respiration is what cells do to break up sugars into a form that the cell can use. So they take that glucose, they break it up, so how we can use it for energy. And here's a little picture. Usually when you think of respiration, you think of breathing. So you breathe in the oxygen, you take out the carbon dioxide. And in the mitochondria is where once you eat, it's turning that into that sugar and giving off the water. So see right here, the little formula, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's sugar plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP, which is energy. Okay, so in other words, our body takes in sugars from the food that we eat and it turns it into energy that we can use. That is what cellular respiration is. So turning the sugar into food that is something we can use. This process, they also call it oxidation, just in case you see that. And the reason why is because they're adding oxygen to the glucose. So again, cellular respiration is like the opposite of photosynthesis, okay? So you take in sugar and you take in oxygen and then you give off carbon dioxide and water and energy, okay? One important thing to remember is photosynthesis can only happen in plants, but cellular respiration happens in all forms of life. So it happens with plants and animals. And here's just a little picture showing that it happens with everything, just to kind of help you think about that. Okay, so again, cellular respiration, it takes in food and it uses it to create ATP, which is a chemical which the cell uses for energy. So I'm going to keep saying this. So you take in that sugar, you give off carbon dioxide, you give off ATP, you give off water. I was missing something here. What am I missing? It would be oxygen. Okay, so ATP, in case you aren't familiar with that word, is the energy the energy stored in ATP provides the means by which cells are able to carry out their functions, such as growth, development, repair of organisms, locomotion or movement, and transportation of molecules across all cell membranes. I thought this was just funny. Energy drink, how much ATP is in there? So that would be nice, right? And lastly, you guys have seen this before, but these are all the different metabolic processes that cellular respiration helps us to do, like synthesis, to transport, to eliminate waste, to make sure our body is in balance, to get food, to grow, to breathe, to reproduce. I hope this helps.